Crypto community, rejoice because Bitcoin futures ETFs are on their way to the New York Stock Exchange. Moonbeam and Polkadot keep making movements, now with Crowdloan officially open for pre-registration. C98's cross-chain bridge is ready to take its first steps with the L1 to L2 Arbitrum conversion. KuCoin with OpenOcean is the latest staking program to make a splash. And now we have a new strong node IDO. Here's your altcoin buzz news. Hi, I'm Natalie and welcome to Altcoin Buzz. Altcoin Buzz is a crypto investing research company. So we're here to keep your finger on the pulse of the hottest crypto news that you can use for your trades and investments. So make sure to like, subscribe, and click on that notification bell so you're always up to date. Just keep in mind that this is not investment advice. So let's get to the news. After nearly a decade of trying, the first ever Bitcoin futures linked ETFs will finally make their big debut on the big board. On Tuesday, ProShares Bitcoin Strategy ETF is scheduled to trade on the New York Stock Exchange under the BITO ticker. And this is the first chance that investors will have to get exposed to Bitcoin without actually holding. The value of these Bitcoin future shares is not directly linked to the spot price of Bitcoin, and nor is having these ETFs the same as actually holding Bitcoin. But the upside is still immense because having the first Bitcoin futures ETF means a much wider opportunity for investors to dip their toe into the crypto pond. The chips started to fall into place after the SEC accepted the registration request for BITO on Friday, which was one of two registration request approvals for Bitcoin-linked ETFs that the SEC did accept that day. The other being Valkyrie's Bitcoin Strategy ETF for the NASDAQ. But let's be clear, this is only the first step and has taken roughly 10 years to get to this point with the SEC, and they haven't quite announced their approval just yet. But if all goes well and BITO does trade on the New York Stock Exchange on Tuesday, there are 4 other Bitcoin ETFs waiting for their time to shine, including the Invesco, VanEck, Valkyrie, and Galaxy Bitcoin ETFs. So keep an eye on our news page for more updates on that. Next, the Polkadot community has more to celebrate this week. Moonbeam has made major strides with Crowdloan, and now pre-registration is finally open to the public. Why is this huge? Because Moonbeam can now harness the support of its entire community to get a coveted slot on the Polkadot parachain, which was just announced last week. Moonbeam's smart contract platform is compatible with Ethereum, so making it to Polkadot's parachain means an opportunity to open up future multi-chain projects to further expand Polkadot. The auction for parachain slots on Polkadot begins in November, so the Crowdloan initiative is going to need everyone to pitch in for that coveted slot. Anyone interested in pre-registering can do so on the Moonbeam Foundation site with their DOT address. And you need to have a minimum of $2 worth of DOT to reserve that transaction. Arbitrum users have a new feature on Coin98 wallet. C98 has launched their own cross-chain bridge for Layer 1 and Layer 2 coin swapping. C98's cross-chain bridge already supports 5 main blockchains, including Avalanche, Binance, Ethereum, Tron, and Solana. And by opening up Layer 2 scaling means some breathing room for the Ethereum network, which can lead to lower transaction fees, easier scalability, and quicker transactions. Arbitrum is an Ethereum layer scaling solution created by Off-Chain Labs that offers validators, compilers, and the ETH bridge. And Arbitrum is the latest of 3 networks to offer these cross-chain bridges, behind Optimism and Boba Network. OpenOcean has launched a new staking program. KuCoin staking goes live this week, and PoolX users will have the chance to stake their OpenOcean tokens to earn an annual percentage rate of 22%. OpenOcean is the first ever aggregation protocol for crypto trading. Its bread and butter is sourcing liquidity from most DeFi and CeFi to enable cross-chain swaps. So mark your calendars because the OpenOcean staking promo goes live on October 19th. And lastly, StrongNode has announced their latest IDO on Starter XYZ, Bullperks, and TrustPad. The StrongNode Edge IDO goes live on October 21st, And the hype is all about how this IDO can process large sets of data without the hefty price tag. Strongnode Edge is one of Polygon's most powerful projects, and it's built on the shoulders of Web3, edge networking, and blockchain. The Layer 0 blockchain is meant to be a highly scalable foundation for anyone to earn more assets by sharing their idle compute resources. That's it for your Altcoin Buzz news update. So, how do you feel about today's headlines? How close are we to having a variety of Bitcoin futures ETFs on major stock exchanges? Or how do you feel about Polkadot's growth and crowdloan through Moonbeam? Let me know in the comment section. And if you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and ring that bell to get regular notifications on our latest videos. And have a look at what else is happening on Altcoin Buzz. Here are some videos to get started with. And as always, this is not financial advice, and we wish you the best of luck in your crypto ventures. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.